Okay, here's an electric air duster. It's an amazing device for the car, getting the nooks and crannies, or your computer, or really anything you want to get the dust out of the crevices. So super simple, super lightweight, but a really powerful device. There's some battery lights here to show you how much battery you have left. It's a USB-C charger, comes with it, the cord at least. And then, yep, you just turn it on, and then this button in the front, push it, and it blows air. So if you want to target it, it comes with these different attachments here, all the different sizes for all the different projects. I personally like this one the best. It gets right in there, and you just pull the trigger and it blows air. Super simple, great product to have on hand. I love this. You're gonna love it too.